In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets online. To get started, head over to fifa.com/tickets. If you don't already have one, create your FIFA ID. It's required for all ticket purchases. The tournament tickets are released in phases. The first phase, called the Visa Presale Draw, which already happened, but you still have chances for the next ones, which are early ticket draw, then the random selection draw. These are for once matchups are revealed. And finally, a first come, first served sale closer to the tournament. When a sale phase opens and you're eligible, log into your FIFA ID account. Pick the match or match preference and ticket category. Ticket prices start at around 60 US dollars for group stage matches. Complete the payment via FIFA secure platform, then your tickets and confirmation will generally be sent as mobile tickets. You'll use the official app to access them. If tickets are sold out, check the official resale or exchange marketplace on the same page at fifa.com/ticket, which is an official resale option where fans can legally resell valid tickets. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!